Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to catch the top on QQQ with my Discord chat today. So right here you guys are going to be able to see on the chart, I have the 2-minute chart pulled up and I drew out a fair value gap. The reason why we were able to take this trade is because on the hourly we had created those equal highs that I just drew out, and at this level we have buy side liquidity. You can see the market pushed higher, grabbed that liquidity, created displacement, and right there you guys can see me writing out buy side was swept. And my screen is split in two different sections. The left is where I have my actual position, the right is the chart that I was watching. I know a lot of the times you guys are very confused on where I have my charts, what I'm watching, so today I found out a way I could put both of them on at the same time so you guys are going to be able to see. So right now what you guys are looking at is we took out the buy side, and right where I'm drawing right now, we took out market structure. Market structure was broken, it shifted, and what it did was create a displacement. Now, displacement is a large move to the downside or upside where it creates an imbalance. It moves so fast that the market orders can't keep up, and that creates a fair value gap more times than not. And you guys can see that's where I drew it out. So that rectangle is where I was starting to open up a short. And I'm going to post a picture of that short where I alerted it right here. You guys can see I gave my exact entry, and right now I was currently down around $6. You guys are going to be able to see that these candles move a little bit faster because it is the 2-minute chart, and then I'm cycling in between the 2, 3, and 1 minute. And what we're going to look for is we're looking for a rejection off this level for a move to the downside. Now, where do I have my stop loss? My stop loss is above that previous high where I have buy side swept written. That is where I know that the setup is invalidated in case it breaks and goes the opposite way. So here, most people would be looking at an inverse head and shoulders or something like that, or a little cup and handle forming. You guys know I don't like patterns, and wow, look at that. Perfect rejection. Look at how fast the tape is moving. Look at how the buyers are getting taken out. And right there, we market sold for around 15%. And you guys are going to be able to see that everyone in the chat was baffled. Everyone was making money. Basically, what happened was we just had a nice rejection, super fast move. And you guys are going to see that that was the literal top on QQQ for the day. Look at how fast it moved down. I sold a bit early once I saw my price target hit. And you guys can just see how rapid that move down was and how we grabbed those orders and moved down very, very quickly. So here, you guys are going to be able to see I'm pulling up the chat. And there is my exact entry, the 280 puts. Here's the setup we post. So we post our why we're hopping in and what we're hopping in. So everyone is able to see. There it is in QQQ, out for 15%. Look at this. Everyone is banking. Wow, what the fuck? Oh, what? Let's go. Yeah, everyone in the chat is going crazy. Unfortunately, I was not on voice for this one, and you can see this video is for Adis, who wanted to know why we took the play and what just happened. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.